Swiss roll is one of my signature recipes and a popular pastry among my students. My family and especially my girls love it too. Selamat Hari Raya! Hi everyone! I'm Huda and I'm a mother of 3 and Swiss roll was one of my best recipes when I ran my own baking studio a couple of years ago. I have perfected this recipe after countless of failed attempts. And what's important here is that my recipe can be easily baked from home. That is why my students really appreciated this recipe. Alright, draw a line using your spatula and it is ready when the line stays for a few seconds. Why I put so much effort into making Swiss rolls, you ask? Well, 2 reasons. My girls love it and they sure order me to make it during Hari Raya. And my family and friends simply love the Swiss rolls I make and it's become a staple dish during our open house. I've been having Ribena since young and my 2 older girls and I love having it as an icy drink for a treat. I would also want to make my bakes healthier for them to eat, and adding Ribena makes sense as I am able to use lesser sugar and there is vitamin C in the cordial as well. As we are all busy with our work and our own family, Hari Raya is one of the few occasions we can come together over at my place. I really appreciate my family and friends to make it a point to come over, so I'll put all my heart into making tasty treats for all of them. Scoop out 1/3 of the meringue and fold it in quickly but gently so that you don't deflate the meringue. Pour batter into the tray slowly and tap tray gently to remove air bubbles. This ensures a soft, smooth cake to roll later. Here's what I normally do. Drop the pan onto the table after baking to release hot air from the cake and prevent lesser shrinkage. Swiss rolls are popular during Hari Raya, and I am glad to have invented this new flavor. I simply love how refreshing the Ribena jam tastes and it goes so well with a Swiss roll. Hope you'll be inspired to make your own Swiss roll at home. Trust me, it's really easy. Have a joyous celebration and a hearty feast over gatherings. Here's wishing everyone Selamat Hari Raya Aidilfitri.